In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Bitpanda. Now, the first thing you have to do here when you're signed into your account, you want to click on the top right where you can see kind of your profile icon. You want to scroll down, and down here at the bottom, it says contact support. Now, when you do this, it's going to take you to their support page over here. And as you can see, you can scroll down and you can see different support tools and the articles over here. And then if you scroll down even more, you'll see it's going to say still have questions, reach out to us directly. And over here, you have a few options. And this one over here, which says chat with us, is the one you should be using if you want direct contact. Okay, so you want to click on that, and if you're not logged in, it's going to prompt you to log into your account. And then when you do, basically when you click on here, it's going to pop up this message over here where of course you can go ahead and first select your language. So just select the language you speak. I'm going to click on English, click on send, and there we go. Then they're going to connect you to a support specialist and you can get in contact that way. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.